Globalization. Globalization is when people from different nations do things together. It makes trade easier and creates a global marketplace. So we can have cheese from Holland, chocolate from South America, and clothes from Asia. The internet allows information to flow and cultures to spread. People's lives all around the world are more closely linked than ever before. Travel is quick and easy, and people can communicate from opposite sides of the world in seconds on mobile phones. Globalization affects the jobs we do, the food we eat, the clothes we wear, the music we listen to, and the environment we live in. However, there are huge differences around the world between the people who make the products and the people who buy them. For example, people in Bangladesh produce expensive clothes in inner-city factories, and workers in rural China assemble high-tech gadgets. Today, everyone is a citizen of the world, not simply a member of a local or national community. This brings new responsibilities. We have to consider how we connect with people from other parts of the world and what our obligations are to them. We also have to realize that many problems are global problems and they need global solutions.